If you want to start using Revolut, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. To create a vault in Revolut, click the search bar and search for Pocket. Then click the pockets. Then choose a pocket type. In this case, I choose regular. After that, you will going to set up your pocket. Here you can customize your name. You can type my vault or anything you want. Then for the currency, we have a two choice, which is the one is cash. And the second is cryptocurrencies. But in this case, I selected cash and used the British pound as my currency. And also, you can edit your background by clicking this palette icon. In here, you can choose different background. You can upload. They have their designs for abstract lines, minimal, and cyberpunk, and for glass and many more. After that, click the Create Pocket to create, and you've successfully created your vault in Revolut. And that is how you create a vault in Revolut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.